Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi's Edulore English for All. I am back once again with a new word, but I also have a bonus tip for all of you at the end of the video. So stay connected till the end of the video. And today's word of the day is copious. Copious. Copious का मतलब है बहुत, अधिक. Something which is more in quantity. The synonyms are abundant, plenty or ample. So instead of saying I am overwhelmed with the abundant love and support of my viewers, I can say I am overwhelmed with the copious love and support of my viewers. The antonyms are lacking, inadequate and scanty. The sentences can be, let's go on a drive today as I have copious free time. The child has copious excuses for not doing his homework. And now coming to the tip of the day. The word copious is an adjective. And yes, to keep it in mind, any word that ends with the alphabets O-U-S is an adjective. For example, pious, industrious, copious. So whenever you come across a word ending with O-U-S, it is an adjective. So right now you have got another new word. Frame a sentence and write it below. I'll again be back tomorrow with a new word. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.